Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You will start by confirming prerequisites and opening the right menu. First, check settings about phone to note model and One UI version so you know which options to expect. Once done, make sure battery is above 20% and close background apps to prevent interruptions. Now, tap Settings, then Display. This gets you into the exact controls for navigation. You're beginning actual changes, now rather than wasting time. Proceed directly to navigation bar options to hide it. You're now changing controls. In Display, open Navigation bar and you'll see two main choices, buttons or full screen gestures. Choose full screen gestures to hide the navigation bar entirely. This removes the bottom buttons and gives more screen space. Then, adjust gesture sensitivity so swipes register reliably. Too low and gestures won't work. Too high and accidental swipes happen. Practice. Swipe up for home, swipe and hold for recent. Swipe inward from edges to go back. These steps explain how and why gestures replace the bar. Finish by testing and stabilizing the change. Launch several apps and use home, back, and recent gestures to confirm they behave consistently. This proves the setting took and helps you adapt. If gestures misfire, revert to buttons briefly, then switch back to gestures to reset settings. If problems persist, restart the phone or clear the system UI cache from recovery or app settings. This often fixes glitches. If nothing helps, note your model and One UI version before seeking further support. Those details speed diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.